How to recover TikTok streak. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can restore your TikTok streak. So let us begin. First, open up your TikTok. Now go to your chat section, and if you see your streak is not there anymore, just go to your profile, tap on the three lines on the top right, go to settings and privacy, and after you're there, scroll down all the way. Now after you scroll down all the way, you will see support and about. Now under there, tap on report a problem, and under report a problem, you'll have to search for the option which is most relatable to you. Just tap on one, and after you tap on one, go ahead and then report. Just simply tap on one, and then you can report whatever you want here. Now type in your problem to know here. After you do that, tap on need more help, and here you can chat with them to restore your streak. And that is basically how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.